Hi, interns. You're doing a great job so far. Today, I wanted to explore with you why and how we analyze data. Here at Futura, we analyze data all the time and use our analysis to make smart decisions about our designs. We start by looking for patterns and trends in our test results. Once we identify these patterns, they can help us change our designs to make them better. Imagine you're on a soccer team and that you and your teammates need money for new uniforms. Your teammates decide to do a fundraiser to get the money by selling bags of popcorn to kids after school. But before you start, your team needs to research the most effective way to sell the popcorn. So there are a few different things to decide on. Your neighborhood has an elementary school and a middle school, so you need to figure out which school is best to sell at. And you need to choose which kind of popcorn to sell, sweet or salty. You and your teammates decide to collect data by selling both kinds of popcorn outside the elementary school and the middle school at the end of the day. Then, your team records how many bags of salty and sweet popcorn get sold at each location. To analyze this data, your team creates a graph. This helps them see patterns in the numbers. The graph shows that more popcorn was sold in front of the elementary school. And it also shows that elementary students were more likely to buy sweet popcorn. So your team decides to sell sweet popcorn at the elementary school. This is a great decision, but there's even more you could figure out. For example, you might want to figure out the optimal pricing for each bag of sweet popcorn that will give your team the most profit. To gather data about this, you might try to sell the popcorn at different prices. You can analyze this data for patterns to learn how different prices affect the number of sales. From the graph, you can see that if you price the popcorn lower, you sell a lot. And if you price the popcorn high, you sell very little. This graph helps you pick a price that's not too high or too low. So now you know the place, the kind of popcorn, and the price. But you might also want to know, on average, how many bags of popcorn you will sell each day. This will help you estimate things like how many bags to order in advance or how long you will need to sell to reach your goal. To figure out the average sold per day, you could sell popcorn for 1 week. And each day, you could record how many bags you sell. You might not sell the same number of bags every day. You might sell a lot on Thursday, but not too much on Tuesday. You could find the average by adding up the total sold and dividing by the number of days you sold popcorn. In this case, the average amount of popcorn sold per day is 18 bags. As you can see from this example, there are many ways you can analyze the data you collect, and this analysis can help you make important decisions about your designs. Throughout your internship with Futura, I encourage you to use graphs to help you visualize your data, look for patterns, and help you decide what to change next. That's how you'll become great engineers. My analysis of the data from your group indicates that you are doing a great job. Keep it up.